Hi, my name is Davide Ridosi, and in this video I want to show you my last script that I have called interactive booleans. So what interactive boolean is an alternative ways to define the booleans and work with booleans inside of Maya. Is an exclusive script for May9. May9 is a set of tools, preferences, and plugin for Maya 2016, and you can download it by link below. So in the standard way of create and managing the booleans in Maya, you can have this kind of workflow. To create space, to have the whole box, create polygon primitive, sphere. So you need to duplicate, Ctrl D, W, and select the two objects, here one and the other one, and from the hotbox find mesh booleans and create, for example, an intersection booleans. So as you can see here, I have a simple intersection booleans with the two spheres, and the result is a third sphere. So you can change the way of they are connected, for example, using the union or differences, and so on and so forth. So very straightforward, but it's possible to have more. So I want to show you the way you can create the booleans and edit boolean inside of the last release, the 1.8.4 of May9. So by using my script, my interactive boolean script is very simple. Because we need only just press the Z button, press the middle mouse button, go to north, create the first sphere, Ctrl D for duplicate it, W for translate. You have the two spheres, again one offset one and one other, press Z, left mouse button, booleans, and now make a new intersection. So as you can see here, I have created another way to create a boolean. So it's very fast the way, it's a contextual way to do that, but the result it's a little bit different. You can see I have the original geometry inside of this wireframe object intersected, and from here I can of course create a render. The two objects are totally invisible, so the objects do not interference with your rendering, and you can select this object, move that object, and have an interactive update. So you can animate too. Very straightforward, I think so. And you have this kind of effects. Very interesting. So another thing you can do is create a modeling, interactive modeling by using boolean. So you can press Z, middle mouse button, create two cube, in this case one, go to duplicate, the other one, I need to scale it a little more, select the first one, the second one, perform Z, left mouse button, create a difference, and voila. As you can see here, I have the resulting mesh from differences, and now I can select the object as I do before, but I can also select the edge, for example, for make simple bevel operation. As you can see here, is constantly updated, so I can change my fraction, the number of segments, and I have my final mesh. Of course, if I want to show only the final mesh, I can select it, this two, press H, and look at that. It's a very powerful way to work with the booleans. So I hope you liked this video. I show you a little more of May9 inside of the channel, so please subscribe to the channel and check the other video. Bye.